Come test drive the 2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, compass, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.